Hello everyone. Good morning. How are you all children? All are good? Yes? So children, now we will learn the phonics sound, the song, and I will narrate a small alphabet story for alphabet O, right? Now we have learned how to write uppercase and lowercase alphabet O, right? हमने लिटरेसी स्किल शीट बुक में प्रैक्टिस किया. So now we will learn the sound and the song. Okay, children? But before that, get ready for the prayer. Join your hands. So, children, let's start. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. One more time repeat the prayer, children. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Very good, children. So children, as I told you all that today now we will learn the sound and the song of alphabet O. But जब हम sound and song सीखते हैं तो हम कौन से बुक में alphabets practice करते हैं? Brown cover, capital and small letter book, right? Okay, so now I will tell you the pages first which you all have to practice, okay? So children, you have to practice in this book, brown cover, capital and small letter book. So children, this is the page which you all have to practice. This is page number 48, okay? In this page you have to practice uppercase, that is capital alphabet O. And tell me which objects you can see starting from the letter O. Starting with the letter O. O for orange, O for owl. Okay, so in this page you will practice capital, that is uppercase alphabet O. Then come to the next page, page number 49. यहाँ पे आप लोग कौन सा अल्फ़ाबेट प्रैक्टिस करोगे? लोअर केस स्मॉल लेटर ओ. ओके, एंड टेल मी द ऑब्जेक्ट स्टार्टिंग विद द लेटर ओ. O for onion, O for ostrich, onion, ostrich. Okay, then come to the next page, page number 50, in which you will practice uppercase and lowercase alphabet O together. Okay children, understood? Yes. So these are the three pages which you will practice for in your brown cover capital and small letter book. Okay children, very good. Now we will learn what is the sound of O. Children, the sound of O is O. O. O for orange. How you say orange? Orange, right? O. The sound of O is O. Understood? Now we will learn, we will see the song of phonics, song of alphabet O. Okay? See, this is the phonics song of O. In the right side you can see the action which you have to do while singing this song. Okay, what is the action? Curl your fingers and your thumb making O. Okay, ऐसे आपको O दिखाना है, O. Okay, so let's start singing the phonics song of alphabet O. Oranges and olives, oh, 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 oh. Oranges and olives makes a healthy snack. O for orange, O for olives. Okay, and oranges and olive both are healthy snack, right? Yes. So this is the song of O. Okay, one more time we will repeat the song, children. Oranges and olives, oh, 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 oh. Oranges and olives makes a healthy snack. O, o, orange. O, 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 olives. Okay, children? Understood? So, now we have learned the sound and the phonic song of O. Now, I will narrate a small story for you all of the alphabet O. Okay? So, children, here is the story for letter O. Otto at an old cave. Otto at an old cave. Let's start with the story. Otto is a baby ostrich. O for ostrich, bird. Yes. Baby ostrich का नाम क्या था? Otto. He lives under a oak tree. You can see this huge big tree. ये बड़ा सा ट्री कौन सा है? ओक ट्री. ओटो यानी कि बेबी ऑस्ट्रिच कहाँ रहता था? ओक ट्री के अंदर. ओके, यू कैन सी द डोर. ही लाइक्स टू ईट ऑरेंजेस. जैसे आपके भी फेवरेट फूड्स होते हैं, फ्रूट्स होते हैं, स्नैक होते हैं, वैसे ही ऑटो क्या खाता था? उसे क्या पसंद था? ऑरेंजेस. ही लाइक्स टू ईट ऑरेंजेस. One night, Ollie the owl. Owl. O for owl. Owl का नाम क्या था? Ollie. Comes to meet him. जैसे आपके फ्रेंड्स आते हैं ना आपको मिलने के लिए, वैसे ही ऑटी के फ्रेंड्स आउल, ऑली, उसे एक दिन उसके घर मिलने आया था. When he came, he said, "Let us go out for a picnic." Ollie said to Otto, "Let's go out for a picnic," says Ollie. और पिकनिक में कौन कौन जाने वाला था? Ostrich, owl and ox. These three animals, they were good friends and they planned to go for a picnic together. Okay, Ozzy the ox will join us too. जैसे आप अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ पिकनिक जाते हो ना, वैसे ही ऑटी, ऑक्स एंड आउल तीनों एक साथ पिकनिक जाने वाले थे. They go to an old cave. They go to an old cave. पिकनिक के लिए वो एक जूने केव में गए थे, गुफा में. And meet Okaya. Who is Okaya? Who is Okaya? Orangutan. Orangutan is a huge animal. You can see this orange color hair. इस एनिमल का नाम क्या है? Orangutan. ओके, इनका नाम क्या था? ओकाया. जब ये तीनों फ्रेंड्स पिकनिक के लिए ओल्ड केव में गए थे, वहाँ पे इन्होंने ओकाया को मीट किया. ऑली द आउल लाइट्स एन ऑयल लैम्प. ऑली यानी कि आउल ने एक ऑयल लैंटर्न जलाया. वाई? बिकॉज देयर वॉज अ लॉट ऑफ डार्कनेस ओवर देयर. ओके, देयर वॉज नो लाइट for them to enjoy. That's why the owl lighted an oil lamp. And after that, they all sat together and eat oranges and have a good time together. Okay, they all planned to go for a picnic. They met an animal orangutan. Owl ने एक oil lamp जलाया. Then after that they all ate oranges and had a good time together by enjoying together. Okay, this story was about the animals, about the friends who planned to go for a picnic together to an old cave. And then in this story we had seen how they enjoyed in that picnic. Okay, so now let's recall the words starting with the letter O. O for ostrich. O for ostrich. ओक ट्री, जिसमें ऑस्ट्रिक रहता था. O for oak tree. O for oranges. O for oranges. He liked to eat oranges, right? O for owl. O for owl. O for ox. O for ox. O for orangutan. See, I have told you, na, huge animal. You can see the real animal, orangutan. O for oil lamp. बहुत ज़्यादा अंधेरा था तो आउल ने क्या किया, वहाँ पे ऑयल लैम्प जलाया. O for oil lamp. Understood, children? So this was the story and the alphabet, through which I have formed a small story for you all, so that you can understand the words starting with the letter O. Okay, now after watching this video, take out your brown cover book and start practicing. Okay children, thank you, bye bye.